y'all miss me? What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Today we have a different video, and I know I look rough. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna get a haircut. But today we have another video where we are installing more things on the charger. This time we have the Mopar cold air intake. This is the Mopar. So another unboxing video, guys. Go ahead and take the stuff out the box real quick. Okay, so these is all the components that's for the cold air intake right here. Of course, right here you have this is between the throttle body. This is another boot right here for the throttle body and stuff like that. This is another boot that goes, and this is an elbow boot that goes around this right here. This is the, I guess, elbow intake. I forgot the name of it, don't quote me. Comes with some clamps. It comes with some little tubes and clamps like this. And this, again, this is another elbow one, because when it sits in the vehicle, it's gonna sit like this. So you got this right here. You got another boot right there. Then you got another boot right here that goes on here. That kind of get the idea. Don't quote me. But this is the main reason I like this. Look how big this is. Mopar, baby. And of course you got the actual box where it breathes in and stuff like that. So don't quote me if I'm wrong. I'm not know the proper names and stuff like that, but just know we're gonna make an install video. There we go. It was a little dark. Oh, I forgot to add one thing. This is also the installation tubing that goes on top. It goes on the top of the thing around like this. Don't quote me wrong, I'm watching the video on how to install it, so y'all finna learn with me. Check this out. Oh, another thing I didn't mention, that it comes with instructions. It actually comes with instructions with everything that's on here. I wanna pause for some. All right, here it is. It says the install instructions for a air intake kit to a 2012 car. So y'all can pause that if y'all wanna see. Let me give you detailed instructions right here. Let me give y'all better. Y'all can really see if it won't focus. Y'all get it. Basically just flip the pages and stuff like that. It kind of gives you a detailed step-by-step instructions. But this right here is kind of boring watching this, so we're just gonna install. Why is it so dark? I'm like, for a little test drive real quick, y'all. Breathe better. I wonder does it breathe better. Oh, camera blurry. Alright. I wonder does it breathe better. Because it don't really feel too much. It don't really feel too much difference though. If I gotta talk a little louder. The POV drive. That shit for a little longer. Man, so I'll cut the wind noise out. Cut the wind noise out. But man, I love it. I love it. I'm just surely slowly building this car up how I want it to be. You know, my next step is wheels and tires, but I'm not sure what wheels and tires I want. I forgot to tell y'all my interior too. You got a quick little snippet. So I just did the carbon fiber dash, you know, everything you see of is off of Amazon. I did the red carpets, and I'm gonna eventually change all this to red because I know it kind of got the red and blue thing going on. But eventually I'm just gonna do, I don't know which way I wanna go. I'm just gonna make it all red just to match everything color coordinated. I'll get back to y'all in a minute. Guys, I don't know about y'all, but I am just in love with the Dodge Charger though. Like, it's so much fun. Why didn't nobody tell me this was so much fun? I'm just letting everybody show me this. So, actually, this is what we doing though. You know, we got the RT, got the stuff like this right here. We got a buddy over there with a Camaro, stuff like that. Okay, so let's put the car in. Hold on 1 second. We got it all cleaned up, stuff like that, got a little shine up, so a little mark. This Mopar intake is actually, it looks pretty good. I don't really think it maybe gave it that much horsepower because of course, when you do stuff like that, you need a tune, but it's just a nice little aesthetic mod to have under the hood and stuff like that. So whenever you pop the hood, it just, you know, just something that's self-pleasing, but I love it. I love it. So now, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you guys want to follow more of the project, this is my TikTok, this is my Instagram, everything is the same. Like I said, my next step is wheels and tires. Now, I do not know exactly what my setup is, but eventually I'm just going to just pop out with it. Now, however, I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek. I do have side mark tints for this, and I'm gonna tint the whole back light, but I'm gonna remove the Dodge. I'm gonna remove the Dodge badges, and I'm also debadge the car. I'm gonna take off the Hemi badges because of, again, I want this car to be kind of a sleeper. Of course, it's not a sleeper because you hear how loud it is, but eventually it's gonna be a sleeper. So let me get y'all on the top mount real quick, and as we go back home.